Hi guys, this is number 1 from the Peer Deck review. I had some kiddos ask, how do you do the problem when there's no numbers? And we did a lot like this in class on a Peer Deck, but we didn't actually write anything in our notes. So I'm going to make this quick video to help those of you that did not come to class and did not watch the video of that class to know how to do the material. So basically what we talked about was when you have these letters E, F, G, H, okay, which is coming from right here, and then our similar figure, okay, because it tells me it's similar, is L, M, N, O. What we asked you guys to do was to line up the letters like this, because the letters like that tell you the relationship, okay? So now I know that E and L are in the same spots. This just happens to be the big rhombus or quadrilateral parallelogram. And this one happens to be the small parallelogram, okay? But I know that this point E right here and this point L are the same ones. And I know that through their names. And when you do that, it makes it a lot easier for the problem, okay? The other thing that you can also do is you can feel comfortable to just like re-sketch the baby picture of the small guy inside the big guy. And then you can put those letters on there. So you can say L goes there, M, N, and then you can call that one O. Okay, and I'm going to erase this so you can see that guy better. And then let me put the other letter back in there. That was L. Now I can see that E matches up with L as well because they match corner to corner by the picture. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in, I'm going to find EF. So EF is right here, and with EF should be LM. Well, look at that. EF, LM. They do match up. They match up here, EF, LM. So now I have to go to the other side and I have to find FG. Well, FG is right here, which means it should line up with MN. So I'm going to go find FG. FG is right here, and look at that. It lines up perfectly with MN. So EF is to LM as FG is with MN. And that is your answer. Okay, so the two strategies here that you have to choose from, the first strategy is just to use these letters here, and you line them up one on top of the other. And then the second strategy you have is when you take and you draw the little picture inside the big picture, and you line them up so that you can see what matches. Hope that helps you.